Hey, let's talk about this scenario. I saw this question in one of the groups. Someone bought a house in 2018. Today, it's worth around 400,000. And may natitira na lang na mortgage na 165,000. Plus, they have 20,000 in savings. Now, the question was, ano bang mas magandang gawin? I-refinance their current property to buy an investment property sooner or save more and buy a new house later, tapos gawing rental yung current house nila. So let's talk about the first option, which is refinancing. Pwede nilang i-refinance up to 80% of their home's value. That's roughly 155,000 equity available for down payment. Again, this is subject to lender approval. Ang downside nito is lalaki ulit yung kanilang monthly at hahaba yung kanilang amortization. Option 2 is mag-save and then buy later. If dadagdagan nila yung kanilang 20,000 na savings, pwede silang makapag-down ng 5 to 10% for a 500,000 to 550,000 na bahay. Then, i-convert nila yung kanilang current property into a rental. Pero again, subject to approval din. Ang downside nito is mas madedelay yung kanilang pag-start sa real estate investing. So, again, at the end of the day, is approval isn't just about equity or savings. Lenders will also check income and debt ratios, credit history. Kaya ang best step is to run the numbers with a mortgage professional para makita kung alin talaga ang mas swak sa situation.